Vapor.
Hello everybody, my name is...
The man who skips leg day. He's one of the starter characters, so he is free to use, so you don't have to grind for anything. He has 2 abilities. They're not really considered the best, but they do the job. 18 sprint speed, meaning he's the slowest character in the game. 92 stamina, but for some reason they haven't updated it. He has 100 stamina. He deals 75 damage, meaning he deals the highest damage in the game. Now, since I told you what Vapor capabilities is and all that, let's get a better look on why Vapor is considered the worst character in the game. R1. Abilities. As I said, he has 2 abilities, Demonic Shift, Spider Skull. Let's start with Demonic Shift. Teleport to your location from 20 seconds ago. Anyone near it, it will be highlighted. Small little fact, the survivors can't see the Demonic Shift until Vapor uses it. The problem with Demonic Shift, it has a 2 or 3 second delay before you actually teleport, and he just makes sure that everyone in a 10-mile radius knows that he's teleported. Let's go to Spider Skull. Summon up to 2 Spider Skulls. They will chase down players, so the limit is 2. You can make an army of spiders, and when you use Demonic Shift while there's a Spider Skull, you'll teleport to it. One issue is as soon as you use Demonic Shift, you'll teleport to the same spot as the Spider Skull, so if the spider continue chasing someone, you will teleport behind it, and the spider are so loud. Clank, 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 clank. They get destroyed by spamming the E button. Combine these 2 abilities and he is still dog shit. Part 2. Stats. His stats are not the worst, but he has 100 stamina, although it drains slow, so it must be good, right? He's the slowest character in the game, 18 sprint speed, so the survivors will be outrunning you no matter what. And they can stop running, regain stamina. As soon as you come closer, we'll go back to running. And guess what? You would have no stamina, so you can outrun him easily. Just use your stamina wisely, and he is so strong. All he needs to do is just scream at you. No biting, no turning people to Gojo. Nah, just a dead. Part 3. Passive. Vapor has a unique passive. He doesn't have a chase team. He instead jump scares you, causing you to stop for like 0.1 second, so it's pretty useless. And not having a chase theme doesn't matter. He is already loud enough. He is the chase theme. Part 3.5. Skins. He may be bad, but does he have good skins to compensate? Oh hell yeah, he does. He has really good skins. The second best diamond skin, number 1 is hands down EXE, and the best limited skin aside from Shreemer is skeletal. Please, Blade Ninja, if you're watching this video, bring him back, or anybody who's watching this video who's a close friend to him, suggest the idea to bring back skeletal. And please just add a small little thing on him. Whenever he kills someone, bad to the bone plays. Bring him back in the next update, and I will buy him with Robux or coins, I do not care. Part 4. Why do people play him? I'm gonna ask you a question. Yes, the person who's watching this video, when was the last time you saw a silver Vapor? Hell, maybe even gold. Diamond if you hit the jackpot. The only reason people play him because he's a starter character. And you may be wondering, Snowy, why is he your second highest level character? That's a good question. Because I like seeing people burn. No, just kidding. I just want to see how bad he really is, and I just want to see if I can somehow make him better. But turns out, he's just bad. He gets countered easily. Speaking of Part 5, how to counter him. I'm going to spread some wisdom on you all. The best tip. This tip will completely, and I mean it, completely counter any Vapor. Diamond, gold, silver, doesn't matter. If you played Vapor for 24 hours, you will first of all get a fucking life and play an actual game other than Pillar Chase. You will still get countered. Save your stamina. Stop running when he uses Spider Skull. Don't circle him, he will use Demonic Shift and you would probably be caught off guard and die a sad and horrible death. So yeah, circle him either way. And here's a demonstration. Part 6. How to make him stronger. Now of course, this is my take on how to buff him. I won't be lame and just give him a sprint speed, nah. If I give him a sprint speed, he will probably be broken, so just give him a small buff. Buffing his damage won't really help. I have some suggestions. Whenever he uses Spider Skull, he doesn't say, he should be quiet. He should shut the fuck up. My second buff suggestion would be to rework his ability. If Blade Ninja and the devs are gonna make Rosemary climb fucking walls when she gets reworked, they can probably cook with Vapor. And my last suggestion to make Vapor good is to give Demonic Shift a speed boost whenever he uses. Part 7. Conclusion. So, Vapor, the madman who skips leg day and only works out with his right arm. I wonder why. He's the slowest character in the game, slow stamina drain, highest damage in the game. It doesn't really fucking matter since Uncle Samsonite and MX can two-shot you either way. But it does help you since if someone gets hit by your spider, you can break their bones instantly if you hit them. If you hit them. I already told y'all how to counter him. Do I really need to say anything else? I made this whole video because of this one clip. The only way you are hitting someone is catching them off guard or the survivors not having stamina, and catching survivors off guard when you are the loudest character in the game next to Springtrap is kinda hard. Thanks for watching. It's been your man Snowy, and until next time I release a video, I'm out.